For young athletes to play near the site of an asbestos removal project on Buffalo's east side. Parents and teachers are worried, and News 4's Al Vaughters is asking for you tonight.
A federal indictment accusing contractors of illegally disposing of asbestos from the old Kensington Heights housing complex has alarmed neighbors like Larry Williams Sr., president of the Glenwood Avenue Block Club. Alarmed because asbestos is a known carcinogen, and if fibers got into the air, Glenny Park is next to the old housing development and School 84.
How far did this stuff go? Did it pick up dust out of the buildings because they're big, large chunks cut out of the actual sidewalls?
Last week, federal officials announced the indictments of 2 contractors and 9 individuals in the asbestos removal fiasco. One of the contractors was in charge of air monitoring. 3 of the suspects were inspectors who were supposed to be keeping watch. But prosecutors would not say how the illegal disposal of the asbestos might have affected nearby schools and playgrounds. And neighbors are concerned. Those concerns escalated when folks learned of the extent of the accusations.
Not wetting asbestos when you take it out. Asbestos needs to be wetted or else fibers get released into the air.
So there is a concern that this stuff may have blown a very long distance.
And Williams tells us he and his neighbors are not getting many answers from public officials about the extent of possible asbestos contamination.
It's about our children feeling safe, that they have not been caught up in some collateral damage for some people that were just out to make a buck.
Now, parents, neighbors, and other concerned citizens are meeting tonight at 8 at the Pratt Willard Community Center to get some answers. They've invited city leaders, the Housing Authority, which owns Kensington Heights, and other officials to help them understand what is happening over there.
Well, there's a lot of concern here. For one thing, is there still asbestos inside those towers that still stand there?
Federal officials are saying they believe all of the asbestos has not been removed. Air monitoring is now in place, but what about asbestos fibers that might now be in the soil? The EPA says there is no safe level of soil-borne asbestos.
No safe level. All right. This is the kind of questions that folks are going to be asking
Hopefully they'll
tonight.
be answering those tonight, yes.
All right. Thanks so much, Al.